Welcome to How to Make Money Online.
Today, we'll share valuable insights and proven strategies to help you generate income from the comfort of your own home.
Building a strong foundation is crucial. Start by identifying your skills, passions, and interests.
This will help you choose a method that aligns with your strengths. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities to showcase your skills and earn money. Create a compelling profile and deliver exceptional work to attract clients.
Consider starting an online store using dropshipping.
Select a profitable niche, research products, and partner with reliable suppliers.
Market your store through online ads or social media. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products.
Find a trusted affiliate program, create quality content, and leverage social media to drive traffic. Create valuable content on platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or blogs. Build a loyal audience by consistently delivering high-quality content and engaging with your viewers.
Participating in online surveys is an easy way to earn extra cash.
Join reputable survey websites and invest your spare time wisely. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular field, consider offering online courses or tutoring services.
Platforms like Udemy or Teachable can help you reach a global audience.
Write and self-publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Focus on a popular genre and market your book effectively to maximize sales.
Engage in stock trading and investments.
Educate yourself on market trends, develop a solid strategy, and start small to mitigate risk. Offer virtual assistant services remotely.
Many entrepreneurs and businesses are seeking help with tasks like email management or social media marketing.
Develop digital products like software, plugins, or online courses. Leverage your skills to address a specific need in the market and monetize your expertise.
Build a strong online presence and become an influencer in your niche.
Collaborate with brands, promote products, and monetize your influence through sponsored content. Master website design skills and offer your services to individuals or businesses. Build a captivating portfolio and market yourself effectively to attract clients.
Engage in online trading activities, such as Forex or cryptocurrency trading.
Educate yourself on the market, develop a solid strategy, and always exercise caution. Consider building a membership site where users pay for exclusive access to content or services. Provide exceptional value to retain members and attract new ones. Help businesses or individuals manage their social media accounts. Develop a strong social media strategy and demonstrate your ability to increase engagement and followers. Learn how to run successful online advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Help businesses reach their target audience and get paid for your expertise.
Explore real estate investment opportunities online.
Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mobile allow you to invest in properties without substantial upfront costs.
Remember, building an online income takes time and effort. Focus on one method that aligns with your skills and interests. Consistency, dedication, and a willingness to adapt are essential for success. Final slide. Start your journey towards making money online today. Choose a strategy and take action. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips.